Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Age of Empires multiplayer. First, let's get you started. To begin, launch the game and navigate to the multiplayer section. You can then choose to host a new game, join an existing one, or find a quick match. Decide on your preferred game mode, such as standard, deathmatch, or a custom scenario. Next, select a civilization that aligns with your strategic preferences, considering their unique bonuses and units. Finally, invite your friends or join a public lobby to start your epic journey. Once in a game, effective strategy and teamwork are crucial for victory. Work closely with your teammates to establish a strong economy, sharing resources if necessary, and coordinating defensive efforts. Aim for a balanced approach to resource gathering, ensuring you have enough food, wood, gold, and stone. Continuously scout the map with your villagers and military units. This constant exploration provides vital intelligence about enemy positions, expansions, and army compositions, allowing you to react proactively and plan your attacks or defenses more effectively. To elevate your gameplay, embrace advanced tactics and clear communication. Learning and utilizing hotkeys will significantly speed up your actions, allowing for quicker unit production, building placement, and army control. Understand the rock-paper-scissors nature of unit counters. For example, spearmen are strong against cavalry. This knowledge helps you build the right army composition. Crucially, maintain open lines of communication with your allies, whether through in-game chat or voice. Clear communication ensures coordinated attacks, timely defenses, and shared strategic insights, leading to more successful outcomes. Continuous improvement is key to becoming a formidable Age of Empires multiplayer player. After each match, take time to review the replay. This allows you to pinpoint mistakes, understand critical turning points, and learn from both your successes and failures. Don't be afraid to experiment with various build orders and strategic approaches. Trying new things can uncover powerful combinations or adapt to different opponents. Most importantly, consistent practice will hone your micro and macro management skills, sharpen your decision-making, and ultimately lead to more satisfying victories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.